Hello, good morning. How?
Good morning. What are you doing? What
Yeah,
about you?
yes. Tell me.
What about you? I'm good.
Yeah, I'm
What
also.
about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine, brother. Thank you for asking me. I'm doing great, and thank you very much for calling me, connecting with me. Today, I'm going to discuss about English language. Okay. So, are you interested?
Yes. Yes. I'm interested.
So, brother, could you tell me about your little bit introduction? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Like that? Please tell me little bit.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Om Prakash Bhardwaj and I am currently living in Begusarai. I have done 10th and 12th. I am pursuing BBA for Bachelor of Business Administrator. And my short-term goal is I want to become a good English speaker. And
Okay.
second goal is I want to become a IAS officer. But it's not easy. But I'm trying to hard work because hard work giving me this hard things. And my quality is I do not give up easily. And my
Yeah, that's
hobby is yes, my
yes.
hobby is playing cricket and write a story. I written lots of story because I love it. And
Okay.
yeah, that's all about myself.
Yeah, brother, you have lots of talent. Seriously, like you want to become IAS officer, you want to become you have a great hobby. Seriously, you're doing great. So, brother, could you tell me about your journey, English journey? What is the, I mean, why important your life for English language? Why you are learning English? Could you tell me?
Yes. English is very important. Two years ago, I went to Delhi, and I saw there are lots of people talking in English. So I did not come to English. So I thought I would learn English. And I went to lots of institute, but there is no progress because self study and communication. Anybody is very important to learn English.
Okay.
Practical is more important for speaking English and for pronunciation English is very
Yeah.
good thing. Not a theoretical always learning like grammar, tense, like that.
Okay, yeah, you're right, brother. Absolutely, you're right. Nowadays, English is very important. Our life, our college, our study, and our career also. It's very important. Everywhere, people are conversation. People are making a good career and talking about English language everywhere. In future time, it's very important. Everyone need English language. It's necessary everywhere, brother. So nowadays,
Yeah, English has become a global language, and they're all over the world talking only English language.
yeah, brother, this is we can say like worldwide language. Okay.
Yes,
And
it's
if
commercial
you
language.
yeah, if you
Yes.
have a great command for English language, brother, definitely you will make a good career. A multinational company will hire you for your communication, for your pronunciation, for idea, for talent. Okay, depend on your English language, so it's very important. So brother, how do you learn a English language yourself? How do you learn?
Yes, I purchased that 3 or 4 books in Amazon, Flipkart, and I thought, and I started self study because self study is very important. Anyone no, teachers not to become
Okay.
a greatest English speaker. Self study is very important. I'm also I have joined a one institute and online Pandesarki online class, and he teach me online English language 2 hour every day. So
Okay.
it's very good to
Mhm.
learn English.
So, brother, do you like to reading a book? Do you like?
Yes. I like a read book because my hobby and my opinion is day by day new learns new things.
Okay, that's
It's
great.
it's 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 good for upcoming future.
Yes, yes, absolutely, brother. Like whenever we start to reading part, we will learn a many things about grammar, about vocabulary, about pronunciation, about story. Everything we can learn from reading part. It's very important. Over there, what happened? Whenever sometime whenever we speak to each other, sometimes we feel too uncomfortable. We cannot speak proper, proper word or pronunciation difficult. So it's very important to reading. Whenever we read, and we practice, we make a habit, automatically we will destroy our fairness and hesitation. We can say easily we can pronounce any kind of word. So it's very important reading part, brother. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
what about your
Reading is the most important.
yeah, what about your practice? How do you practice with stranger people? Anyone have a you have any partner? What kind of you are practice yourself?
Yes, yes. I have a four girlfriend, and she knows very well English, and I'm talking every evening time. I'm talking.
Yeah, that's
How?
great thing.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Yeah, every day,
4 hours.
brother, if
Yes,
practice every day, if you practice with stranger people, with your friend circle, family circle, definitely your English will be perfect. You will learn
yes,
a English language, okay? So every day do hard work, every day try to practice like 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever, and keep going, do hard work. Definitely you will improve yourself. Okay.
yes.
So, brother,
Absolutely.
yeah. So please tell me about your college. How's going your college right now?
Yes, my college, I admission in BBA in IMS Noida. Do you know?
Okay. Yes, yes.
In Delhi.
Belong to
Yeah,
there. Yeah.
yeah. And in this time the lockdown and all colleges stopped and all things are online study
Okay.
1 to 2 hours per day. So it's very
Okay.
good college in this present
Mhm.
time.
Okay. So, brother, how's feeling your online classes? Are you bothering yourself? Are you satisfied for attending online classes and just like feeling too bored?
Yeah, it's not satisfied to
Okay.
classes, but there are good things. There is good
Because
things.
because I know
Because
that.
time never wait for anyone, and time never come back again. So don't
Yeah.
waste our times and something new things learn. It's very good things for.
Yeah,
It's a
brother,
good
I
idea.
know like online classes, it's very difficult for everyone. For example,
Mhm.
we sometimes we don't understand, sometimes we understand, but whenever we have any kind of question, we can't ask about in front of teacher, ma'am, sir, I have one question. We can't because over there it's very short period. It's like it's we can say limited time, and everyone feeling too bored like online classes. It's like attending like eye contact, then concentrate, and sometimes we don't understand what teachers are talking about you know it's
Yes,
very
yes.
difficult
It's
for
boring.
yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
boring.
boring.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's boring. So I know that what's going on. I know you're feeling like how's your feeling for online classes. Don't worry, brother. In very after a month, definitely a college and school will be open, then you can go easily. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Don't. So what about your
So
future plan? Like how will you fulfill your career? Like after college, where will you go? How to become a IS officer? You want to become IS officer? Am I right?
yes. I want to become an IAS officer.
So
After
how?
completed BBS, I am prepared for UPSC exam. So
Mhm.
I started preparing for self study,
Okay,
and I'm waiting for opportunities.
that's good. So have you any experience, brother? Any kind of job did you done in your job? Any kind of like about back
No,
office
no,
calling anything?
no. I'm only in this time only a student.
Okay, you are student. Okay, you are fresher totally. Okay, no
Yes.
problem. So, brother, what about English? Like, how many time you give your English language? How many time? A whole day?
Yes. Every single day I spend 2 hours a day. I spend my time in English language only
Okay,
because
that.
communication is very important.
Mhm.
And how can I talking any person?
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that's great
But
thing. That's great. Seriously.
but
Yep.
you never tell me about you.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me tell you my introduction. Sorry for that. I forgot my introduction. Okay. First thing, brother, my name is Samir, and I'm calling from Mumbai. Last 20 years, I'm staying in here, and already I done my study. Like I done my bachelor degree in BCom stream 2017. Then after that, I took a diploma course aviation and hospitality. We can say hotel management and air hostess training. So both course I done, and in previous year I was working a hotel sector as a front office. I worked I took experience. Then after that, I quit my job because my manager he terminated due to COVID-19. Unfortunately, okay. And in lockdown period, brother, I started doing something about like my English language, about my hobby, about thing. And by the way, I love to making a video. I love to photography, editing like that. So that's why reason I'm learning English language. Still, I'm improving. I talk with stranger people. I love to communication. And my aim is, brother, I want to become a like YouTuber, okay. And if you talk about my profession job, brother, so I'm searching a job like in the ground staff job, like in airline industry, in the airport, handle to passenger and solve queries, luggage, ticket checking, boarding pass, like that. This kind of job, okay, I'm searching nowadays. But if you talk about my aim, brother, I want to become a YouTuber. I love to YouTube making a video. And then second thing, like, brother, I'm preparing my English language, like I want to go abroad, western country first thing. Yeah, I love to. That's why reason I'm learning. I'm giving a time lots of like English environment, English language. Because, brother,
Yeah.
you have a great talent, if you great command for English language, then definitely it's gonna easy to everything, like do a job, you will get a easily job first thing. You will get a like visa, and like you can crack a IELTS exam. If you want to settle down in abroad, so you have to give a IELTS exam. It's very important. So English is
Very
everywhere,
important.
brother, everywhere.
Mm, mm.
That's why
Yes,
reason I'm
yes.
telling, always practice, always do hard, and think about English language. English is just a language, brother. Not now, future time it will necessary for everyone. You know
Yes,
that.
yes. Yes,
And
yes.
you
Absolutely.
can you look surrounding, brother, our surrounding, like if you talk about calling center, if you go to attend the interview, over there also English language is going on. No anyone talk about your which medium you done your study and what kind of you have experience. First thing, they will interviewer always check about your communication. If you have a little bit like English language knowledge, definitely they will at least think about for you. Otherwise, that moment they will try to terminate. It's very important. So English is very important for everyone, brother. And you are joining some WhatsApp group, am I right? So
Yes, yes.
is it helpful or not? This is
Yes, it's
beneficial.
very yes,
Okay.
it's helpful. It's
Yeah,
very
brother.
helpful.
So always try to, always try to stranger, always try to speak with stranger, brother. Always try every day, every time. If you try, definitely English will come automatically, your mind, your tongue, automatically you can speak. So just spend a lots of time and focus your study, focus your career, brother. Without goal, we can't survive, we can't achieve. It's very important a goal. Just decide a goal. Okay?
Yes,
It's very
yes,
important.
yes.
So, by the way, brother, like, how old are you? Like,
I'm 20 years old. And
you are
you?
20 years. Okay, I'm a 24-year old, brother. 24-year old.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
And you look like younger. Even I'm also younger. Okay, but you have a more time. You have a more time to make a career, brother.
Yes,
You
yes.
have a like remaining your degree. Your degree is remaining. Am I right? Then after
Yes.
that, you complete your degree. Then you will prepare your IS officer. Okay. And brother, always feel too positive. Always think about positive. If you get a failure, don't give up. Okay. Always just stand and prepare more. Do hard work. Obviously, one day will come to you will get a become a officer. You will get a good result. So always try. Okay. Don't give up. Okay, brother. So I think
Yes,
this
yes.
is all about good conversation, brother. And thank you very much for connecting with me. Thank you very much for calling with me, brother. It was great conversation, and I'm
Yes.
happy with you. And future time, brother, if any kind of if you have any problem, then please contact with me. Please tell me. I will solve your problem. Like about English language, I love to English language. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
brother.
I love English language also too.
Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye, brother. Have a nice day and thank you very much. We will keep touch. Okay, bye bye.
Nice to meet you too. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. See you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.